Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by accessing your voicemail now. Dial your carrier's voicemail number or press and hold 1. You'll hear prompts asking for a PIN or temporary code. Enter that code using the keypad. Do it slowly so the system registers each digit. Once done, the server confirms your identity and moves to options. Make sure to listen for the phrase that tells you to change the PIN. Set a secure 4-6-digit PIN to protect messages and prevent accidental access. Next, record a clear greeting and set preferences so callers know what to expect. Select Record Greeting and speak naturally. State your name and short instruction. Keep it casual but professional. Once done, save the greeting and navigate to message settings to choose Auto Delete, save duration, and notification sound. If your phone supports visual voicemail, enable it to view transcriptions and tap to play. This makes triage faster and reduces repeated playback of long messages. Finally, retrieve and manage messages with intention. Listen all the way through, save important messages, and delete junk immediately to free storage. Once you've handled them, use callback or message forwarding features to respond quickly. Press the callback key or use share options. If voicemail won't load, first restart your phone and confirm cellular data or Wi-Fi is active. Make sure your PIN is correct. If problems persist, reset the PIN through your carrier. This usually resolves access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.